This is part 3 of a series of videos that I'm doing building a concrete pad for a hot tub. In this video, I will show you how I placed and finished concrete on my own. Let's get started. Here I am putting concrete down around the perimeter in a frame layout. Then I start filling it in. Wheelbarrow after wheelbarrow, the concrete starts going down. Alright guys, so when I'm wheelbarrowing the concrete, I don't take too many breaks. I try not to talk a lot with the operators. I really like to get the concrete down. Once the concrete's down, I can take my time, talk, and have a snack or whatever. But I mean, the most important thing when you're wheelbarrowing concrete, especially if you're wheelbarrowing a fair distance, is to make sure you just consistently keep putting that concrete down, because a couple of minutes can pass by fast, and then next thing you know, it's 15 minutes and you start losing the concrete. So the key to concrete finishing is to consistently keep placing and finishing it. Tools I used are a shovel rake, rebar puller, mesh roller, and a screed. On this pour, the concrete truck is about 20 feet away from the edge of the pad, so it makes it possible to do something like this alone. What I'm doing is raking the perimeter flat so that it's easier to finish the concrete. You really have to have a feel for the slab to figure out exactly where that height is. This is really something you gotta have an eye and a feel for. This is a mesh roller, otherwise known as a jitterbug. It pushes the stones down and brings the cement paste up. Click the link above to learn more about the mesh roller. I like to roll the surface twice. The roller doesn't need any extra weight. It's got enough weight on it. Most of them are steel. And the great thing about this is it helps flatten the surface as well. I'm now using a stand-up edger. This tool is great to speed up the finishing process. You can really set the edges in quickly, and years of hand edging is very bad on your knees and your back. So this tool is great ergonomically. Alright, you can't really see it, but throughout the pour I've asked the ready mix operator to add water throughout the project. And guys, I can't stress to you how important it is to just keep the wheelbarrows moving. You know, every minute really does count, even on a small pad like this. You know, I'm pouring this pad a lot drier. I want this thing to be here for a very long time, and especially doing it alone, it's a bit more challenging, but I mean, it's definitely possible.
In this video, I will show you how I placed and finished concrete on my own. If you're in the Waterloo region and you need concrete work done, visit theartofconcrete.ca. And also guys, if you like watching, please leave me a comment. And if you have a video suggestion, I would like to hear your feedback. Also guys, turn on post notifications and subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care.